To introduce tonight's rising stars, please welcome Benson O'Rourke. Benson is a 6th grade honors student at the World Language Academy Middle School. He's on the WLA basketball, cross country, and track and field teams. He's an active member of the Fellowship of Christian Athletes. Additionally, how is there more stuff additionally? It's one heck of a get. He plays football, golf, and baseball on Team Elite's national team. Benson, come on up, young man.
Good evening, everyone. Today, we will be honoring Mike and Ashley McGraw. Mike and Ashley McGraw are Gainesville-based entrepreneurs, manufacturing leaders, and community servants. Together, they have built, supported, and scaled multiple successful businesses while remaining focused on workforce development, youth leadership, and the long-term economic vitality of Northeast Georgia. Mr. McGraw is an accomplished business owner and operations executive with more than 25 years of experience across manufacturing, distribution, staffing, and government contracting. He is the owner of Ranger Lock, a manufacturer of high-security locking devices distributed nationally through Grainger, McAster Car, and RangerLock.com. He is also the owner and strategic partner of Pride Staff, Gainesville, a locally owned staff firm specializing in light industrial, manufacturing, and office workforce solutions. An Army veteran, Mr. McGraw is the current owner of McGraw Manufacturing, McGraw Family Farms, and McGraw Properties, overseeing diversified operations across manufacturing, agricultural, and real estate. From 2016 to 2025, he served as a managing partner of Ranger Manufacturing, a machining and fabrication shop, and federal contractor serving both commercial and U.S. Department of Defense customers. A dedicated civic leader, Mr. McGraw serves on the numerous boards, including the Greater Hall Chamber of Commerce, Junior Achievement of Georgia, Northeast Georgia Advisory Board, Georgia Mountains Regional Commission Workforce Development Board, Georgia Manufacturing Alliance Board, City of Gainesville Airport Advisory Committee, and EAA Chapter 611. He is a past president of the Rotary Club of Gainesville and remains actively involved in regional quality of life initiatives. Ashley McGraw is a trusted business operations leader, entrepreneur, and community volunteer whose organizational expertise supports the success of the McGraw's family ventures. She currently serves as office manager for McGraw Manufacturing, Ranger Lock, and as a strategic partner with Pride Staff, Gainesville, and is co-owner of McGraw Family Farms and McGraw Properties. Ashley has overseen administrative, financial, and operational systems through periods of growth and transition, and is known for adaptability, precision, and reliability. Mrs. McGraw is also deeply engaged in community leadership, having served as a chair of the Lakeview Auction Board, a member for Jared Birch, LLP, and EAA Chapter 611, and a leader of the EAA Fall Fly-In. She supports junior achievement, Rotary Club initiatives, serves as HOA Board Secretary, and is a member of Leadership Hall Class of 2025 and the Youth Leadership Hall PAC team. When I met Mr. and Mrs. McGraw, the first thing that I learned is that we have in common is dogs. I have 2 and they have like 102. I also found out that 3 of us really like math. I have learned a new term from Mr. McGraw. He said that because of his love for math, he was part of the nerd herd. Please welcome the 2026 Rising Stars, Mike and Ashley McGraw.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. That was a lot to read, and I'm sorry for all that. I didn't realize all that was going to get read, but we appreciate it very much. The 3DE program, if I was going to say something as a board member for JA, this region, especially Gainesville, Hall County, if you don't know what that is, you need to look into it. It's very cool, it's enlightening, and some of the products that's coming out of that program is unreal. So I just want to say thank you. We stand on the shoulders of giants. You guys, there's so many people in here that's helped us, and we appreciate it very much. Thank you.